In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how we do quick and easy maintenance and clean out the ash on our outdoor wood boiler to make sure it keeps running in top shape. Welcome to Timberstone Ranch, guys. If you do enjoy this content, I would really appreciate it if you click on the like and subscribe button as well as the bell notification, as it helps our channel grow. So for this boiler to function properly and as efficiently as possible, you have to do a little bit of maintenance on a weekly basis or depending on how much wood you're burning. We typically do this once every 2 to 3 weeks, especially now that's getting closer to the springtime, but it must be done every week in the wintertime to make sure that the ash is out of it, the air is flowing properly through it, and consuming as little wood as possible. And it's working in top-notch shape. So before we get started the weekly maintenance, I like to go over on this side of the boiler, pull this lever like this, and shake out all the ash from the heat exchanger tubes. Next, we will need a metal bucket because the ash will be hot. You don't want to put it in a plastic bucket or otherwise it may melt it and make a mess. And also we will need the 2 tools that are supplied by Heatmaster to clean out the ash. This is the smaller tool to clean out the cyclone chambers. And this is the bigger tool to clean out the main ash chamber. We start off by opening up the ash chamber. As you can see, it does need cleaning. The only thing you got to be careful here is that you have to make sure that the boiler is not running while you're cleaning this. Because if the boiler is running, you will have flames burning upside down here, and it's not exactly the safest thing to do, to be cleaning the ash while the boiler is running. So we start off by disturbing everything first and trying to bring as much of the bulk to the front. You get rid of these clumped up pieces first, as much as you can. Then you use a welder's mitt or a very thick glove to remove the concrete cap out of the cyclone chamber. Be careful, this will be very hot. The other thing you want to move is this piece right here. Again, you got to be careful. It's very hot. Next, you will use the main chamber tool to start raking some of the ash out into your bucket. Next, we're going to clean the cyclone chambers. Then you go back to the first one again, just to finish it off. And that's pretty much it. I then use this tool, which is an angle measuring device, but really anything can be used as long as it's flat, to get in here in the corners real deep, so you're able to put back the concrete components properly in order for the boiler to function properly and the cyclone chambers to circulate the heat the way it's designed. So that's pretty much it. We just got to put the components back now and call it a day. We slide this back in here like so, standing it up, and pull it over to the very far left side, like that, so it's nice and snug. This is the reason why you have to clean that corner off real nice, otherwise it's not going to fit properly. Lastly, we put this piece in here. It kind of screws in, and that's pretty much it. This is the weekly maintenance to keep the boiler running properly, it can breathe properly, and heat our house. We then close the ash chamber and take away the ash. See, it's about a bucket for 2 or 3 weeks worth of burning, and we utilize this in the garden. But we will do a future video about the different uses of the ash and how useful it is around the property. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do let us know in the comments how often you clean out your outdoor wood boiler, or if you have any tips and tricks that could help us out.